It's just a dream away with our friend Sara. Today we're making homemade Hawaiian bread. Hopefully that'll taste sort of like the Ohana bread at Disney World. Emma's got her whisk. She's ready to go. We've never made bread before, have we? So this could go really bad, but we're gonna try. We've got our cups. We've got all our ingredients out. Let's try to make some bread. Let's start with eggs. Recipe calls to beat 3 eggs. All right. 1. Okay. Sarah, you want to do that one? Yeah. Okay. Throw away this one. Throw it in there. I'll give you the 3rd. There we go. Teamwork. I think it'd be helpful to have 2 adults. Okay. Can you whisk it? Okay, Sarah and I are gonna have to wash our hands. Here's your whisk. Do your thing. Are you mixing? Mix it all up. You look good? I'm gonna put away the eggs. Oh, she's got this. Is it? Just eggs?
Yummy.
You don't even like eggs. No.
Okay, you probably don't like it.
Yeah, you don't like eggs. Alright, I'm gonna melt some butter. Okay.
What color is it?
What color is it?
Yellow?
Yeah, it is yellow. Oh, whoopsies. Okay. Is it all beaten? Let me look. Looks good to me, I think.
I'll do it.
Okay, we're gonna add pineapple juice next.
Pineapple juice.
I'm gonna need 2 cups. Hold that over top.
Let me help you.
I like pineapple juice. Alright, pour that in. And 1 more. Good job. Alright.
Oh, there's still some in there.
Yeah, get it all. See? Ooh, now I'm gonna drink this pineapple juice. It's not this exact minute, but I definitely love pineapple juice. Oh yeah. Put in some
Especially fresh out of the
guava. That's good stuff, man. Alright, we need sugar. 3/4 cup of sugar. Whoops.
Sugar.
4 cups is not what I got. Ouch. I'll take that for now. Thanks, bud.
Keep this on the top. Keep this on the top. Keep it on the top.
What are you doing? Getting ready for sugar? You having fun?
Are we using the half or the 4th?
We're going to use the 4th 3 times.
4?
Yeah, a little bitty one. I think Emma already got it, yeah. She's ready to go.
And 1 more.
Alright. We need vanilla.
No.
Teaspoon.
I want to show it. Oh, this is so good.
It's gonna be so good.
It smells good right now, don't it?
Teaspoon, not a teaspoon.
This is a small one.
Yeah.
Teacups. Teacups.
Oh, okay. That's probably good.
That hurts. No, a little less.
Oh wait, no, that's just a half, so we need 1 more, right? Okay, go ahead. Alright. Okay, let's get the butter and put it in.
Oh, I can do it. I can do it.
Oh, okay.
I put some butter. Do we need this
Make
face?
sure it's all melted good. And then we should. Oh, look at that. We got vanilla instructions now. directions with the lid on it, so it'll smell good. Stir until combined.
Here.
Ready? Pour it in. Good job. I'll take that and you keep stirring.
This is so yummy.
Is this so yummy? Smells good, huh?
It smells good.
Smells
Pineapple,
good?
doesn't it? I don't think we need that anymore.
It's a pet.
Okay, so our wet ingredients are done. Now comes the dry. So, 1 minute. Okay, 3 cups of flour. It might get dusty. Okay, a little more. Don't want to not have it dry enough, do we? I know it's hard. Okay, 1. Okay, 2 more. No, that's good. Perfect. 2.
And 1 more.
Good job. Okay. Stand mixer. Add the mixture until well combined. I don't know if that means add it as we mix it or just go ahead.
We need that thing.
So let's just add it in here. Alright, so let's go for it. Throw in the wet. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this wrong, but oh well. I don't
Want
think
that, Emma?
we're gonna use the big mixer over there, I think, instead of the whisk.
Oh.
Okay, now we're gonna go over here to the stand mixer and start mixing. Is it mixing? Nice. It's working. Nice. Okay, we added the yeast. Let's mix some more. Ready? Okay, so my little sad cheapo sunbeam mixer has failed me. All the dough is rising up over top of the mixer up to it, through it. So I don't think I'm supposed to do this by hand, but that's what we'll do. So here we go.
No, I can do that. I can do that. Oh, I can do that.
Yeah. Welcome to my world, Sarah. Does it need a little bit more stirring?
Yeah, it needs a little more.
We're getting to the point where it's not sticking to the sides, so use your muscles and we'll be ready to let it rise soon, I think. Whew. That'll be another adventure. Okay, next baking question. Lightly oiling the container for the rise. Does that literally mean oil? Does it mean butter? We're gonna try oil. I'm probably making a mistake. I can't take this. The pressure.
With this, cause
We let Emma keep some dough for herself because she's having just so much fun playing.
I'm so sticky, so sticky.
It is so sticky.
I can't get it off of my
I
hand.
know. Maybe we should put some flour down on the table and then it'll be less. Or you know what? You just play with it. Be sticky. Childhood. It's all good. So there you go. We have some. The rest of it is not as sticky anymore. And it is proving it's going to rise and rise. So in 1 hour we'll see where we're at. And then we can start baking. Sound good?
Something around someday. Will you play games on iPad? Or just when you get home.
Is that your shopping song?
Yeah.
That's good.
Let's do it all together.
Okay, we don't know the words. Teach us.
When it's fun to go to shopping with
Well,
you.
it's fun to go to shopping.
Can you do that?
What?
It's fun to go to shopping when it's good to see song. It's gonna be and get in the car when we get in there.
And we get in the car and we drive to the place.
We drive to a place we want to go.
We have to wear our seatbelts or the car won't start.
Or the shop.
Or it'll stop. When we get to the place, do we sit in the cart?
Yeah.
We sit in the cart.
We do start in the car. And I saw the wall.
Yes, because you can't always see what's on the top if you walk, and it takes too long.
Cause we got bubbles at the
Where do we buy bubbles?
at a store.
Oh,
Sometimes
We do?
try to go to a store and not when we go very tight.
oh. Sometimes you cry when it's time to check out, and then you don't get what you want.
Cause that's selling.
Yep, because if you don't pay, it's stealing, so you can't cry. You help mommy and daddy check out the stuff.
So cat up the stuff. And that's the end of no.
And that's how we go shopping.
Little tingle tingle laser stop.
Okay, go for it.
Tingle. Little together.
Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Baking intermission
Mama, look.
music. Okay, let's separate this somehow into equal parts.
Mommy, let's separate it.
Okay, let's knead it over a little. I don't know if we're supposed to knead this kind of bread or not, but we just did. Okay, let me get a knife or something, and we will separate it, and then we get to roll into balls.
Ooh.
Is that fun?
Okay, Emma, stay away. I got a big knife. Ready? Okay.
Hands back.
I'm very bad at eyeballing things and telling if they're half and half and half.
Can you play this now? I'm gonna put that.
It doesn't really matter, I guess, if it's
Let's
equal.
let's play with.
Let me put some more flour down, and we'll each get one to...
This is so woolly. This is so
We just
woolly.
gotta roll it into a little ball. Okay? Yes, there you go for it. Add a little more. Do you need flour, Emma? So that's okay.
Can I put it in there?
You can. If yours is sticky, you definitely need to put it in there.
So much.
I know, today has been lots of soap.
And I'm saying
Which is
yes,
fine.
Yes.
Mommy, listen, yes, mommy.
Okay. Emma,
Yes, mommy.
playing with flour,
Yes, mommy.
getting all messy.
Yes, pop, mommy.
See that dress? You're all covered. Ah!
And almost.
More vacuuming today. All right, final rise. Oh, don't touch it. They did grow, finally. They had me worried before. Are you ready to bake these? And then we can eat them.
Are you ready to
All
bake?
right. 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's see if we get some sweet Hawaiian bread. All right, we've got bread, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe not the most attractive bread, but it's bread. That one has so much flour on top. That's my little one. That looks pretty good. I'll let it cool a little bit and we'll dive in here. See what we got. I'm not totally discouraged. Let's do this thing. Oh no, it's not baked. Oh, that feels good. It's a little bit mushy still. But I think it was supposed to be very soft. Here we go.
Take a bite, Goofy. Just a tiny bite. Here,
That's good.
try it.
Doesn't have a ton of flavor. But it's light and frothy. Frothy? Airy? Emma is passing. So she doesn't even want to try it. Too bad. But I think the consensus is it's good.
Tastes like bread.
Tastes like bread. So we did it. We made bread.
Tiny bite.
It's a cool. Hey, have some bread. It's good. Solid pass. How do you hear this stuff? Where do you come up with it? You are goofy. The bread we made is good. Have some. Oh my goodness. Please, it's good. Have a bite. It's soft and it's yummy. Oh my word. You crazy. Okay, so we made bread. It is bread. It tastes kind of a little bit like Ohana bread, but you know, it wasn't going to ever be exactly the same. It needed more pineapple flavor, but it's soft and yummy, even if Emma will not eat it. So, not a fail. We made bread. I'm pretty happy, actually. I think we did a good job. Thank you to our friend Sara who helped. Yeah, we wanted to play outside, but there was a bee outside. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you've enjoyed these kitchen adventures and other adventures. There's lots of fun adventures at the end of this week, so make sure to join us with Family Adventure Friday and etc. Hey, come here. So give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. It's chaos now. She's done. She's probably tired and trying to stay awake. So thank you for watching. Remember, Disney's just a dream away. Maybe in Ohana bread form or something like it. So we appreciate you and keep on watching. We really enjoy making these videos and we hope you like watching them. So, okay. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Eat some bread. If it's good enough for Oprah, it's good enough for you. So, okay, bye. Emma, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.